Hi there, my name is Dr. Carli Axford and I'm the founder of the Spinal Flow Technique. And I want to do a little video today on pregnancy and how the Spinal Flow Technique can support you during your pregnancy. When I ran my own private practice in Melbourne in Australia, I saw so many people and supported them during their pregnancy. And it is the most beautiful modality to support pregnancy from the beginning, actually before the beginning. So, firstly, I helped people that were looking to conceive, people that were trying to have a baby or even having difficulty getting pregnant, getting their spinal nervous system in pure health. So there was flexibility in the spine, so the spinal wave came through the system, and that the body, especially the pelvis, was free of any blockages or stuckness. So the nerve system could do what it needed. As they were in the first early trimester, it was really helping the body accept the baba and know that changes were going on. I often could feel the chemicals in the system, that the hormones starting to change, but really helping them stay in alignment, have mobility throughout the spine, and create that softness, but also to help that spinal wave move through. Because what I did find was if anybody had pelvic blockages or rotation through the pelvis earlier on in that first trimester, it was really important to create more of a balance in that pelvis, because that was going to help, especially for later on when the center of gravity changes and we're weight bearing more on the pelvis, but also by creating the pelvis so it's free of misalignment and blockages, it really helps it to be able to expand equally rather than creating any blockages in there, which can contribute to, posterior babies or breech babies too. So we want to really keep that pelvis in alignment. The other thing is, as the mama's starting to grow and the baby's getting bigger and the center of gravity changes, there's more weight bearing on that pelvis, on that foundation gateway. So if there's any type of rotation through here or blockage, it's a lot harder to clear as the mum's body's starting to grow. So we really want to keep, especially in that first trimester, and make sure that the foundation gateway is balanced and free of blockages. And then as we go into the second trimester, we're looking at the body changing. We're looking at, the center of gravity changing. So to help the spine and the pelvis be in full alignment, the spinal wave to come, it really supports a mama with her pregnancy. And then into third trimester and having the baby, really looking at everything connected, the flow up and down the spine, so every organ and cell and nerve and tissue is talking to each other, so we can move towards having a really healthy pregnancy. So for me, that's something I've always done, is supported mamas throughout the pregnancy, even throughout the birthing process too. And then of course when the bubba's born, to be checking their little spines to make sure they're free of interference and bringing that spinal wave so it's coming up and down the body. So if you are looking at having a bubba or you are pregnant now, then Spinal Flow is a beautiful modality to help support you throughout the entire pregnancy, to just have a really, I'm going to say, hopefully an easier, beautiful pregnancy. But the main thing is to get your spine, your nervous system in alignment, not just in alignment, but flowing without blockages, without interference. So your body's able to do what it needs to do and grow this beautiful bubba in the most healthy way. So definitely, if you are pregnant, if you are looking to be pregnant, then reach out to one of my Spinal Flow practitioners, because they would love to assist you during your pregnancy.